Hey guys, today we are going to be building a music stand. Now this build is from the Lego Friends Andrea's pool party. So I'm going to be using the steps from there. Now let's get started. So what I'm going to be needing first is I'm going to need this. And then this. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put the other piece on top of it like that. Now this should be able to rotate. I'm going to put this on top, like right here, like that. Now I'm going to need these. I'm going to stick this one on top and this one on top. Now you're gonna need to create 3 more of these, which I have. Now before we stick those on anywhere, I'm going to take these 2x4 red bricks. I'm going to place them on top, like this. Now this should be able to rotate. Now I'm going to stick these on. Just put them all around the circle that we built. Okay, now I'm done. Now I'm going to be needing these pieces. Now these are the same ones we used on the bottom, except these are in green. Now, you see a line right there? Since that line is horizontal, I'm going to put these on vertical. Okay, I'm going to put these on vertically, like this. Now, Ray, what does this remind you of?
That reminds me of a cupcake with no frosting. Only the wrapper and the bread.
Yeah, same. It's really smooth looking. Okay, now we're going to build the table. And after that, we're going to do the background sort of thing. Okay.
So it doesn't seem much like a background. I think it's just to entertain.
It has like a TV on it. I'll show you later.
Kind of like recorder.
Yeah.
Kind of like a recorder. So we don't want to spoil it.
Yeah. So I'm going to take these 1x2 triple wall bricks. I'm going to stick them on right in the corner of this 2x6 brick. Now we're going to need 2 of them. After we finish this set, we're going to stick it on top of this brick. So, yeah. I'm going to need this 2x2 jumper plate, and I'm going to set it right down over there. Now I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put it on the 2x2 jumper plate. Now we're going to need this later, because it's going to go in this box that we made. Now I'm going to need this 1x2 plate, and I'm going to set it down right there. I'm going to take this lever. Now you have 2 options. You can set it down right here, okay? So you're gonna put it down right over there. Now, you can either have this over here, or you can have it straight like that. So it's all your choice. Now this is optional. I just drew on a brick, and I thought it would make a nice pizza with a whole bunch of cheese. So I can put this right in here.
We have a full pizza too.
Yeah.
So that one is printed.
Yeah, so I can put it right in the box. I'm gonna do that final in the last part, in the last step. Now I'm gonna take the assembly. I'm going to set it down right here. Now you see that there's a vertical line, just so that it will be placed nicely or stuck all in nicely. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to place it so that the box is to the right. I'm going to set it down like that. Now I can put in the little CD, but as I said, I'm going to do that last. Now, here are the pieces that we are going to need. Now this was the TV sort of thing. Now in the comments below, tell me, what do you think this piece is? Okay, so let's resume. Now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna set it in this palm tree sort of thing. Palm tree piece. I'm gonna make 2 of those like that. Now I'm going to take this brick and I'm just going to set it down for a second. We're going to use that later. Now I'm going to take this brick and I'm going to set it inside. I'm going to set these inside, right behind it. Now I'm going to put this down right over here, like this. Now underneath it, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to take this brick, or this assembly, and I'm going to put it right over here. Now I'm going to put the other one opposite, like that. Now I'm going to take this piece, and I'm going to set it down like that. Now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to set this 1x6 pink piece like that. Now I'm going to put the pillars there, like that. And yeah. Oops, I put the TV sideways. Okay. Now I have this. Now just so you know, it looks like this. Now I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put it right behind it, like this. Now it's all in. Okay, so far it's looking pretty good.
Except the only thing I think what's missing.
Yeah, it's the singing spot, right? And the speakers. What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say it looks a bit plain in the front.
Yep, that's why we're gonna need these. Now this is the spot where you can sing. So I'm going to need these 1x2 jumper plates. I'm going to need this holder sort of thing, a microphone, a stick.
A black stick, basically.
Yeah, this 1x1 stud with a hole in it, and this 2x2 jumper plate. I'm going to take the 2x2 jumper plate and I'm going to set it down right in the front, like that. Now I'm going to take the 1x2 jumper plate, I'm going to set it down like that, right there, and then I'm going to do the other one right next to it, so that it looks like this. Now this is the place where they're going to stand. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brick, the holder, and I'm going to put the microphone in it, and I'm going to put the 1x1 stud. I'm going to set the microphone down right there. So now finally, this is the final step, we're going to be making the speaker. So I'm going to set down this 1x2 stud right over here, and I'm going to do the same for the other one, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 1x2 plates and I'm going to put it right underneath, like that. Now I'm going to take these 2x2, I don't know what they're called, but they're round, like a dome. So I'm going to take these.
Maybe I can try.
Okay, what are these pink things called?
The top or the middle?
The middle, the one in the hole. Now
yeah, that's a 2x2 dome. You got it right.
Okay. So now I'm going to take this 1x2 jumper plate and I'm going to set it down right there. I'm going to do the same for the other one. And finally, to finish it off, I'm going to set them down one stud away from the stand that we made. And we are done. This is the music stand. I'm going to put the CD in like I promised.
And yeah, and now let's grab some characters.
Yeah, we'll do that in the next video. Bye.